So we rode up here to Johnson's Creek in Kingman, Arizona. Made it up here with the mini bike, and my dad and sister are back there in the Terex. But we made it up here. This place is a lot prettier during the spring, but made it. The mini bike, we took it on some sand and some rocks and stuff. There's a few slight hills too, and it did really good so far. We're not done with the ride. We plan on going up to a viewpoint. Yeah, we made it up here, and it's pretty cool. Hey, dog. Well, I mean, it's flowing pretty good.
I mean, if it's that much good enough to fill Molly's legs, must be good.
Yeah. So I guess even Tucker likes the water too. Molly's really enjoying it. Oh, Moose. Hey, Moose. Hi. Hey, dog. So, fun fact, this creek actually used to have several ponds. Right here there used to be a pond. There used to be a pond here. There used to be a pond there too. And right there, I remember you used to be able to sit up there and you'd watch all the goldfish and everything swim. But due to flash floods and trail riders who have been very mindful, it's been filled in. That's crazy. The water line used to go up right there to where the white rock is. All through here. Well, not all through here, but there used to be good water level, and there used to be crawdads and all kinds of stuff. Not anymore. Letting Anna Lee drive. Woo. Dogs better be careful. Come over, Molly. Get over, Brute. Get out of the way. She might run you over, Brute. Mola, 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 mola. Ah, whatever. Molly, move! Come here! Come here! Go over, Brute! Come here! Come here! Come here! Okay. Oh. Molly, move! Cruising speed. And Molly, oh, I'm gonna run. Ah, geez, girl. Come on. Moolah. Keep up. Stable the bike is with these flat tires, and it's a beautiful day back here near Clacks Canyon. We're going up to a viewpoint right now. We'll be able to glass over the whole town of Kingman and have a good view of other surrounding mountains. There's a spot where it's getting a little technical for this mini bike. I don't think it's anything it won't handle though, so we'll see how it does. Okay, we got one dog. Let's go, Brute! Come on, Moolah! Come on, Malt! So, the ride was cut short. The dang chain popped off. Yeah, it goes fast sometimes. So yeah, it goes fast sometimes. But we got the chain back on. We're just, because the axle's off center, because of me, because I'm an idiot. So we're gonna take it home, fix it. It just sucks. But it's my fault, so I just gotta deal with it.
No, it's the mini bike's fault.
It's not the mini bike's fault.
The mini bike's fault.
Maintenance errors. So we're gonna pack up and go home. And I'm gonna edit the video. So at least I have the creek portion. So we changed our plans. We're still gonna go up to the viewpoint, but just not with the mini bike. But we got all the doggies. Say hi, Molly. No, Molly. Yeah. With the dogs. We're gonna go up there.
Yeah.
So we made it up here to the viewpoint. See for miles. You can see most of Kingman from up here. And you got some good view back that way too, but no one cares about that view. Damn. Good view.
What if I just do an accent your whole video? Make people think I'm somewhere else.
You want to repeat that?
No. No.